23. Okay, here we are. So let's start. Which of the following are true regarding the crust of the earth? The earth crust regarding কোনটা ঠিক? The answer is C, 1, 2 and 4. 1. It is the outer thin layer with a total thickness about 100 km. Earth crust 100 km এর মতো চওড়া। 2. The form around 0.5% of total mass. And 4. The lower layer of the crust consists of basaltic and ultra basic rocks. Alright, 27. The total surface area of the earth is 510 million square kilometers. What is the approximate equatorial circumference of the earth? That is 40,000 kilometers. 29. Approximate diameter of the earth is 12,800 kilometers. 30. The place which has the longest day and the shortest night on 22nd December is C. Melbourne. 31. Geostationary orbit is at a height of 36,000 kilometers. Alright. 32. Owing to the equatorial plug and the polar flattening, the polar radius of the earth falls short of the equatorial radius by about 22 kilometers. 33. The earth is at the least distance from the sun at January 3rd. 34. The earth is at largest distance from the sun at July 4th. 35. Earth rotates around the axis point towards the polar star. 36. Which part of the earth's surface receives the highest amount of isolation? That is tropical desert. 37. Which one of the following cities does not have the same clock time as that of the other three cities? In these three cities, only D. Addis Ababa is not the same time, but else 3 London, Lisbon and Accra have the almost same time. So sun is going down. That's a good thing. Okay, let's continue. 38. Which one of the following layers of the earth is believed to have the heaviest material and the highest density? That is central core. Obviously the central core has the heaviest and the highest density. 39. Assume that the moon takes exactly 30 days to complete the circle, and also assume that it rises in the east exactly at 6:48 p.m. on the first day. On the fourth day, at what time will it rise? The answer is 10 p.m. There is a specific formula about this. If you want to know more, you should Google it. Alright. 40. Which one of the following is present in the largest amount in terms of percent by mass in the earth's crust? That is oxygen. Look at this. Okay, the question is, study the following diagram and say which of the given statement is not correct. In this statement, A, C and D is correct and B is not correct. So we're gonna study which one is correct. So the correct is, well, you're gonna study it, pause the video and look at it, and the answers are: it shows the earth's orbital position on 21st June. See, there is continuous day north of Arctic Circle. South of the equator, the length of the day decreases with increasing latitude. 42. The difference in the duration of the day and night increases as one moves from west to east. No, that's not. It's equator to poles. It's equator to poles. 43. The sun is never overhead at any time in north temperate zone, 2 south temperate zone and toroid zone. 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, 1, 2 and 3. North temperate zone, south temperate zone, north freeze zone. 44. Which of the following statements with regard to term great circle is not correct? Only one great circle can be drawn on a sphere. That's the thing. Okay, so 45. The term syzygy is referred to when the moon, sun and the earth lie along the straight line. 46. The sun reaches its maximum angular distance from equator at solstice. The South Pole experiences continuous light at winter solstice. 48. The shortest day in Australia will be June 21st. 49. The permanent tilt of the Earth's axis and the revolution of the Earth is in its orbit together causes C. 3 and 4. Varying length of the day and night at different time of the Earth and changes in the altitude of the midday sun at different times of the year. 50. Which of the following best describes longitude? The angular distance east or west of Greenwich Median. 51. On December 22, the sun 1, 2 and 4 is correct. The December 22, the sun is not visible. It's only visible for few minutes at Arctic Circle and rises south of east and sets south of the west equator. 52. What is the correct sequence of the following in the context of the age of the earth since its origin? The answer is D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Protozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. That's how it should be. Alright. 53. Look at the sun. Can you see that? Yeah, that dot. Alright, continue. I'm gonna sit here, look at it and work on it. 53. The latitude of a place expresses its angular position relative to the place of equator. 54. When would you record the maximum angle of incidence of the sun rays at the North Pole? It's C. When the sun's rays fall vertically on the topic of center. 55. 1 degree of longitude on the equator is equal to distance of 50 miles. 1 degree longitude at equator, not else, at equator it is 50 miles. 56. At the summer solstice, which one of the following latitudes will have the longest night? Answer D. At 60 degrees south. 57. The topic of Cancer passes through India and Saudi Arab. Center. Which of these is longest? All are equal. 0 degree median, 180 degree east to west and 90 degree east. All of them are same. No one is the longest. Alright. 59. Consider the following statements. B. 3 and 4. Earth's polar diameter is about 43 km shorter than equator diameter, and Earth has a total surface of 510 million square kilometers. 60. The core of the Earth is made up of D. Both iron and magnesium in the plastic state. Plastic state means it's the plasma state, not solid, not liquid, the medium portion. The jello effect will be there. It's jello. Okay, 61. Which one of the following is not effect of the revolution of the earth? That is change in the direction of the wind and ocean current. It doesn't affect for the revolution of the earth. I think maybe there is, I don't know. Okay, 62. Latitudes include 181 lines while longitude are 360 lines because A. Longitude is divided from prime meridian while latitude is from equator. 63. Which of the following statements is true? Answer B. Both equator and longitude are great surface. 64. Maximum difference in the spacing of longitude is at equator. Longitude of a point on the earth is measured by the distance in angle of the equator. 66. Latitude and longitude both run perpendicular to each other. 90 degrees. 67. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? 0 degree east and 0 degree west longitude to equator is not matched. 68. The latitude of a place is the same as the zenith distance of the full moon when on the meridian. 69. Of the total volume of the earth, which layer forms the major part? 4. 70. The equatorial circumference is greater than the polar circumference by approximately 68 kilometers. 71. The distance of the equator from either of the poles is 10,002 kilometers. 72. On the 21st June, the daylight is seen at the North Pole for 24 hours. 73. The amount of isolation received at a place on the surface of the earth depends on both A and B, its climate and its latitude, not altitude. The amount of the isolation received at the place on the surface of the earth depends on its climate and latitude. 74. If a place is located at 20 degree north, 80 degree east, in which of the following continents does it lie? It's B, Asia. 75. And the last question of the day. Which of the following statements is correct? 1 and 4. All meridians are of the same length and the equator is the longest latitude. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe.